Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are going to do a walk around and, well, it's already running, so walk around and running and driving video on a 1972 Cuda. Now, this Cuda, it is a real BS23 Cuda, 1972, has a 340 engine under the hood with an automatic transmission. It does have power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. Got disc brakes on the front. This car has had one repaint. It was an original silver car, but they finished it in this beautiful blue when they restored it. I would say most of the car is original. I think most all the interior is original. I don't think the seats, carpet, dash, any of that stuff's ever been changed in the car. It's had one repaint. Like I say, the paint on the car, I would give this car, I'd say the car is 7 out of 10. If you look real close, you can see some minor imperfections in the car. Is it a perfect car? No. It's a driver quality car, but I'm gonna price this Cuda right on the money, and somebody's gonna get a really, really good deal on a beautiful Cuda. Rally wheels, Cooper Cobra, radio GT race, white letters on it, black vinyl top. The stainless on around the windows, you can see it has some fine scratches, small little ding. That isn't perfect. If you wanted to replace that, you could. Mirror's got some fine little pitting. Stainless around the front windshield's nice. Got a couple little chips right here. And if you look real close, you can see a couple little bubbles underneath the paint and a couple little spots, little minor imperfections. If you're standing 5 foot away, you don't see any of them. If you get up close, and these lights are super bright, so you see everything. So that's why I try to point the stuff out that I do see. Nice car. Couple minor little bubbles down here in the bottom of this door. A little touch-up spot right here, you see that? The car had been owned by the same guy for a long time. He said them little bubbles have been there for 15 years. Interior is real nice. The seats, carpet, dash, headliner, visors, package tray, sail panels are all in good shape. All the seat belts are intact. And a little rust spot right here. Solid everything, I don't know. Paint wasn't real perfect right there. I had the lights on this car, and I left them on for a second. The battery went dead. That's why I'm started out with the car running. Very nice and original appearing underneath the hood. It does have an upgraded AC compressor. Say power steering, power brakes. Hood insulator. Super sharp 72 Cuda. Turn the lights on for you here quick. Air conditioning's even blowing cold. License plate light, tail lights, left turn. Engine sounds good, exhaust sounds good. Headlights, turn signal. ground. I'll have to check the ground on that one before this car leaves, I guess. They flash, but they just don't quite. I guess they flash, they work. Take it out on the highway quick. Yeah, the air conditioning blows cold. There you go, you can hear the AC compressor kick. I think I'll shut it off. I don't really need the air on right now. There we go. Indicator work for the blinkers. That clock doesn't work. I think all the other gauges are working though. Wind, I tell you, we keep getting huge gusts of wind. Yeah, we get these big gusts of wind and big dust storm, and the clouds are kind of pretty though. I'll get out and we'll walk around this car quick. All the gauges work. Tach, speedometer, oil pressure, temp, they all seem to work good. Right down the highway. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. Give us a call. Can't wait to talk to you. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you don't miss another great quality collector car. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Thanks for watching.